teacher, want to hear what happened yesterday?
Sure.
Last night, me and my family went to a new restaurant. When they presented the menu to us, we all had a shock.
Why? Was it very expensive?
No, the entire menu was messed up. The appetizers, entree, desserts, and drinks were all mixed up because everything was sorted according to alphabetical order.
Gosh, it must have took a while to figure out what you wanted to order.
Not only did it take a while, there were so many names on the list. We couldn't figure out if they were names of food, or drinks, or desserts. I mean, what's a sunrise surprise?
Maybe they chose that strategy to offer a new experience to customers?
They should have just classified things in a logical manner. Appetizers, entree, desserts, and drinks. Then at least we'd have a sense of what we're going to get, regardless of its name.
I can see that you are thinking like a biologist.
Why?
Well, there are over 10 million different organisms living on Earth. Imagine if we don't categorize them properly and just list them down according to alphabetical order.
Gosh, that would be a nightmare.
That's why biologists sort these enormous lists of organisms into a meaningful order. In other words, we create a classification or taxonomy of organisms.
But what is the basis used by biologists to classify organisms?
We look for natural system of classification using important common features shared by as large a group as possible.
And how does that work?
Simple. Organisms that share many similar features are placed in the same group. Those that share few features are placed in a separate group. The largest groups are called kingdoms.
Kingdoms? It sounds like a kingdom in an online game.
Yup. In IGCSE biology, we use the 5-kingdom system to classify all organisms.
What are those 5 kingdoms?
They are fungi, plants, animals, prokaryote or bacteria, and prototists.